Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. If you guys are new, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing another Shein haul for you guys, but today is going to be all things apartment slash room slash house decor, which I feel like a lot of you guys really love to watch because I've done these in the past and chose out some really cute products. So yeah, stay tuned guys. I have some really cute items to share with you all. Post Black Friday, like I've just like gotten into the shopping spirit, so like it just doesn't stop, you know? So if you guys want to do more retail therapy and you want to get some cute decor for your apartment, your house, your room, stay tuned and keep on watching because I have some cute items to share with you guys. So let's get into it. The first item that I wanted to share is this 气球狗 balloon dog trinket, if you will. It's really cute because I have a matching like silver version and it's like a lot bigger, so this is gonna be really cute because it's like a tiny version. The small one I did buy from Taobao, 我就转运过来的, and it was so expensive because the fees are obviously very expensive. So I think like if you guys want cute room decor like that you see from like 小红书 and whatever, like Shein is a better option and channel to purchase from because Taobao like shipping is very expensive. So this is really cute. I feel like you can put this anywhere and it'll be cute, like a little decor piece. So highly recommend. It's really cute. And then I have another one to share with you guys, but this is like a little bit delayed because I think I placed this order like October, so yeah, please excuse that. But this is gonna be very cute for next Halloween because it's a little ghost and it's holding a pink pumpkin. I mean, like that is crazy because you don't really tend to see like Halloween decor featuring like tones of pink and hints of pink color. So this is really cute and very up my alley. As you can see, like just lots of pink across my apartment. So if you guys are looking for like Halloween decor that aren't just always like orange and black, then I think Shein has some really cute items because there was another one. Actually, I think that one was holding a bat. So I just got the one holding a pink pumpkin. I think it's really cute and not gonna lie, like why does this just like fit all year round? I'm just kidding. I'm gonna put it away and save it for next Halloween. But Homegirl's gonna have some cute like pink themed Halloween decor now, which is very exciting. I mean, obviously you guys are familiar with the vase, that pink vase, but the marble tissue case is from Shein as well as the pink, like both of these. Really cute, obsessed. Like it's just all stuff that you can buy from Taobao, but the shipping is so much cheaper. So highly recommend Shein. Like this tissue box, so freaking cute. I got it last year and I love it so much because it's gorge. And then I put my laptop on it sometimes to like watch YouTube and it's like perfect. So love it so much. And then I got this set of, I don't think they're coasters guys, but it's basically like my mom likes this like boho theme recently and she got some stuff from it and she's like, can you find like some boho theme like coasters? I think these are for like the wall. Like when I was browsing through the catalog or like the Shein site, I saw these and they were like on a wall, like it's called wall decor. So I don't know, but it's like, I guess very like multifunctional, very versatile. So this is what they look like. It's like very boho vibes obviously, and these small, they come in like a set of, I don't know, 7 or 8 or whatever, all different sizes, but obviously they're all circles and they're just like tan and white, like 编织款, you know. And then these smaller ones are just like really cute little coasters that you can use across your house for like coffee, matcha. It's just like really cute. The vibes are there. It just makes it seem like you are on a vacation, like a tropical vacation somewhere when you're using these for your morning coffee. It's so cute, especially with like a little glass cup or something. Like love. So these are that. Not very like my style, but now that I picture, like I see it on my coffee table, my dining room table, like it's actually really cute. So I'm gonna put it here. And then I wanted to share with you all some really cute furry fuzzy 可以给你的生活添加幸福感的一些小物. So the first thing is this dice pillow. I think it's really cute. I thought it was gonna be bigger, but to be honest, this size is perfect because I feel like if it's too big, it would have been like crazy. I love how they packaged it because when I opened up my Shein, or when I was like picking up my Shein box, it was smaller than I expected because I got like a lot of things. And then this was like squashed. Like, have you guys seen those TikToks where like the pig is in like those packages where the air is sucked out, and then once you cut open the bag, like the pig just like stuffed animal just like comes to life, and it's like this huge stuffed animal? That was exactly this. And then once you cut the packaging open, the pillow just like literally just comes alive, comes into form, this huge squishy pillow. It's gray and white, love it, matches the aesthetic of my apartment. And I just think like on the floor in a corner somewhere, it's just like really cute and quirky and just fun, and adds some texture and shape and just something different into the space, which I think is cute. They have a lot of different colors in this, but I think the size is really nice. It's like not too big, not too small. And yeah, just like a fun little item to add to my room. So love that. I think like you could also use it as a pillow. I don't know. And then the last item that I wanted to share, actually there's two, but one I'm using already. I got two of the same carpet, which I've had before. It was just, I use it so much and it got dirty, so I threw it out. It's the You Look Good carpet. Can you guys see? This one is like hot pink and light pink, which is adorable. I put it on the floor and then I put the dice pillow on top of it, and it's just really cute. Basically, the second item that I wanted to share with you all is this exact carpet, but in a gray and white color. That one I'm already using, obviously in substitute of the one that got dirty and I threw out. I had a black and white one, and then now I'm using the gray and white one, and then I also have a pink and hot pink one. I really love the gray and white one because it's like it's not like super in your face, and then I have like the IKEA little clothing rack on top, and it's just really cute. It just adds something to the floor, so I love it so much. I really recommend these carpets because it just adds a lot of texture, has some text. It's just very cute. You can put it in your bathroom as well. Like, you know, I think it just like, it's like a cute little affirmation when you see it, when you wake up, you walk into your bathroom and it's like, you look good by the sink, or like in front of the sink, if you will. So I think it's a really cute vibe, guys. So love that so much, and highly recommend you guys check it out if you are looking for some cute and fun quirky carpets for your room. So yeah, that is pretty much everything that I wanted to share with you all in today's video, guys. Thank you all so much for staying until the end if you guys did. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and follow me on my other social media platforms, which are always linked in the description box below. You know, happy shopping. I feel like room decor is just so fun and cute. I'm just like obsessed. Maybe let me know what your favorite item from the haul is. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching once again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.